You quit your job, you open your laptop, you are excited. You are finally free. Freelancing is your path to financial freedom. But within months, your inbox is dry, your confidence is crushed, and your bank account bare. Why does this happen? Why do 80% of freelancers fail before they even reach their first $1,000? In this video, I will break down the exact reasons why most freelancers fail, and more importantly, I will share the business skills you must master to win consistently, confidently, and long term. Let's start with the lie that many of us believe, that freelancing is about skill. If you can code, write, edit videos, or design, you will succeed. That's only half true. Freelancing is not just a skill game, it's a business game. For example, a great designer without marketing is invisible. A talented coder who can't price services correctly will always under earn. A content writer who can't handle deadlines or communicate will get ghosted. So the point is, freelancing is a business, not a hobby. So let's discuss why most freelancers fail. Here are top 5 reasons. Number one is they don't know their value. Most freelancers price by fear, not by value. They charge $5 for a $500 project because they are afraid of rejection. Number two, no niche, no clarity. If your profile says I do everything, you are actually saying I specialize in nothing. Niche down, stand out. Number three, poor communication. You are not just selling deliverables, you are selling clarity, updates, reliability. Clients don't just buy skills, they buy trust. Number four, no systems, no process. Imagine running a bakery with no cash register, no stock list, no timing for the oven. That's how most freelancers run their business. Number five, giving up too early. The first 3 months are the hardest. No clients, that's normal. But those who push through build momentum. It's a game of volume and patience. There are 5 business skills that freelancers must learn to succeed. Number one is sales psychology. You don't need to be a slick talker, but you must understand what clients want and how to write proposals that show benefits, not just features. Number two, pricing with confidence. Stop trading time for money, price for value. Learn tiered pricing, anchoring, and negotiating confidently. Number three is time management. Use tools like ClickUp, Trello, Google Calendar. Batch work, avoid client burnout. Number four is client retention. A new client is 5 times more expensive to get than keeping a current one. Over deliver, communicate, ask for referrals. And number five is personal branding. Build your portfolio like a mini website. Post content on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, wherever your clients live. Let's briefly discuss a case study of three freelancers with three different outcomes. Number one is Mr. Ali, the jack of all trades, is equal to failure. Offered anything and everything, undercharged, got ghosted, burned out. Number two, number two example is of Sarah, the systems queen, equal to success. Choose one niche, e-commerce copywriting. Branded her offer, used automation tools, followed up, created monthly packages. And number three is Mr. David, the skilled but silent, is equal to struggling. Great skill, poor outreach, did not know how to pitch, zero online presence, had to get a job again. Following are some tools that every freelancer should use. Number one, in the area of project management, the tool the, the tool available is ClickUp or Trello. Why? Because you can stay organized and hit deadlines. The second area is contracts or invoices. The tool is available HelloBonsai or Payoneer. It look professional, get paid faster. You can get paid faster. The third area is of portfolios. The tools available are Notion and Canva. It shows off work cleanly. The next area is payments. You can use Payoneer or Wise. They accept global clients with ease. The area is of time tracking. You can use Toggl. You can bill hourly with proof. And the last area is of writing. You can use Grammarly, which can send clean proposals or emails. Remember, you don't need 100 tools, just the right 5 to 6 tools used consistently. You need to build your freelancing roadmap. There are 7 steps in this roadmap, which are as follows. Step number 1 is you need to pick one niche. Step number 2 is create an irresistible offer. For example, I help coaches get 10 leads per week through email sequences. Step number 3 is build a lean portfolio. Step number 4, join 3 platforms. For example, Upwork, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Step number 5 is pitch 10 clients per week at minimum. Step number 6, deliver follow-up, ask for referrals. And the step number 7, automate your workflow and raise your rates every 3 to 6 months. There are some common myths that hold freelancers back. The first is I need more skills. You need better positioning. The second myth is I am not a good marketer. Then your competitors will win. You need to learn the basics of the market. And the third myth is freelancing is not stable. Neither is a job, but here you control the ceiling. Freelancers don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because they don't run it like a business. If you have learned something today, if you are ready to build a smarter, more profitable freelance career, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I am ready to succeed as a freelancer. I read every comment. Let's go, let's grow together.